Frank with Stonelink Property Manager over here at 10 East Street, Unit 107, Cranston, Rhode Island. It's a first floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated throughout. Start our video tour when you walk in. Brand new flooring, your living room, kitchen area, pantry closet there to my right, refrigerator, gas stove, plenty of countertop and cabinet space, dishwasher, sink, linen closet there. To my left, you get the bathroom, vanity, shower tub, and then get the bedroom area here. Plenty of closet space, big enough for a king set. Going to apply for 10 East Street, Unit 107, Cranston, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.